Good evening everyone. Now in a previous video I had discussed about data types and arithmetic operators. So today I will discuss in this video about assignment operator and shorthand operators. So now first I'm going to discuss what is assignment operator. Assignment operators are used to assign values to a variable. I had discussed about the variable. So if you want to assign value in a variable, so we need to use assignment operator. So simply you can understand assignment operator, that is equal to sign. You can see here this is assignment operator which is used to assign the value into a variable. See the example here. Here 5 is the value and this 5 will assign in variable x. X is a variable. So this equal to sign is used to assign right side value into the left side variable. So when you are writing this thing x equal to 5, it means after executing this line the value of x will be 5. Now I'm going to discuss about shorthand operator. Listen, somewhere you will get assignment operator is also called shorthand operator because in shorthand operator assignment operator is involved. Somewhere you will get shorthand operator. So here see here plus equal to, this is, you can say the shorthand operator. Actually here heading is given assignment operator, but better you will say this is shorthand operator. What is the meaning of this? X equal to, it means what? We can write like this, x plus equal to 3, and meaning of this is x equal to x plus 3. The same way minus equal to, it means x minus equal to 3, it means x equal to x minus 3. So practically I will show you how it will work. The same way multiplication, simple division, modulo division and flow division. So in previous video I had discussed all these things, star, that is multiplication, flow division, simple division, modulo division. So how we can use this shorthand operator? So I'm going to discuss this one. Practically I'm going to discuss. So here assignment operators in a Python. So suppose variable, if you declare a and if you want to assign 10, so here the value of a will be 10. So here this equal to sign is called assignment operator, and what the operator is doing, 10 will assign variable a, and here 10 is integer value, so type of this variable will be integer. So how we can see the type? So simply you can print type and just pass the variable name, so it will return integer. You can see a type of this variable integer. Now I'm going to discuss shorthand operator. So shorthand operator, suppose if you want to write like a equal to a plus 10, if you want to write, see here a equal to a plus 10 if you want to write. So what is the meaning of this? So you have to execute from right side, means equal to sign के right side आपको सबसे पहले execute करना पड़ेगा. So here the value of a is right now 10, and just add 10 into 10 and then assign to the variable a. So after executing this line, the value of a will be 20. So you can see here when you print this a, then the value of a will be 20. So if you don't want to write this thing, if you want to write alternative way, how we can write this statement in some other way, so you can write like this one, a plus equal to 10, and here the value of a is 20. So this statement is just equivalent to a equal to a plus 10. So you can write this a equal to a plus 10, you can write in this way, a plus equal to 10, it means a equal to a plus 10. So the value of a is right now 20, and this 10 will added and then assigned to the variable a. So the value of a will be here 30. You can see here 30. So once again I'm going to discuss this one. This is called the shorthand operator. This is called the shorthand operator. Same way you can write a minus equal to 10. It is just equivalent to a equal to a minus 10. So right now the value of a is 30. So what is the meaning of this statement? 30 minus 10, so value will be 20, and this new value will be assigned to a. So you can write this one or you can write this one. So if you're writing this one, this is called a shorthand operator. So the value of a will be here 10 माइनस हो जाएगा तो वैल्यू ऑफ ए विल बी 20. The same way a minus I have discussed a into equal to 10, so it is just equivalent to a equal to a into 10. So what will the value, how it will execute the value of a, you can see here 20, so 20 into 10 it will be 200, and this 200 will be assigned to variable a. So you can write this one this way, or you can write in this way. If you're writing this way, this is called the shorten operator. So value of a will be 200. Value of a will be 200. The same way you can use a simple division equal to 10. It means what? A divided by 10. So value of a will be 20. You can see here. Now same way you can use this floor division, a equal to 10. So this is just equivalent to a equal to a floor division 10. So value of a, you can see here 20 divided by 10 floor division, so value will be 2. So these are the shortened operator. Same way you can use a double star equal to 2. It is just equivalent to a equal to a exponent 2, means a का square हो जाएगा. So right now value of a is 2, so a to power 2 value will be 4, and this will assign to the variable a. So when we print this a, so value will be 4. So I hope this shortened operator is clear to everyone. I think there is no any problem to you people. Now I'm going to discuss about next one is left, that is a floor division, a modulo division 2. It is just equivalent to a equal to a modulo division 2. So modulo division I have discussed in a previous video. So when we print this one a, so you can see this one. So in this video what I have discussed about the assignment operator. You can see here I have discussed assignment operator and then shortened operator. Somewhere you will get assignment operator के अंदर ही आपको shortened operator सारे मिलेंगे. So I hope this video is clear to everyone, and remember, whatever the queries you people have, you must write in the comment box, and please forward this video if someone wants to learn this one, because I have started from the beginning. This is I think video number 3 or 4. Watch carefully. Any query if you have, you can write in a chat box, and definitely I will reply your queries. After just finishing the chapter number 1, I will solve the questions from your book. So watch carefully, implement in the computer. If you have a computer, better. If you don't have a computer, use the Padroid app, Padroid 3, and anytime you can write in the chat box or comment box, or you can ask, and definitely I will reply to you people. So I hope all the things are okay, all the concepts are clear to you people. Thank you very much for watching this video.